Alright, here we are in Key West, Florida at the Key West Naval Air Station for the Southern Spectacular Air Show. Got one of the Swamp Foxes over here from the Navy. B-52. Weather's a little touch and go right now. The show's supposed to start in about an hour, but it's been on and off raining, so hopefully they get it in. Got a FA-18 Super Hornet here, a couple of them actually. B-52 is massive. Couple of FA-18 Super Hornets here. Also have a couple of F-16s out of South Carolina. Lightning here. That's the F-35C version, the Navy. We got a T-38 Talon or F-5 here. The big boy here, B-52. Couple of the F-18s that should be flying later. Hopefully. Rain clouds are in the background.
You feel the wind is picking up right now. Well, that's the front of another part of this system pushing down and through. And as you can see off to the left, bringing with it some heavy rain. So you might want to take that in mind. We're going to give you an update on the weather at 11 o'clock on how that may affect our schedule today. So that's at 11. In the meantime, it's going to get wetter.